All right, let's discuss today's topic, concrete company DOT. If you're running a concrete business, you know it's not just about mixing cement and pouring slabs. You've got to juggle a bunch of regulations and requirements as well. One of the big ones is dealing with the Department of Transportation. When you're moving materials like concrete, you're on the road a lot. That means you're under the DOT's watchful eye. They want to make sure that all vehicles, including those in the concrete industry, are safe and compliant. So, what does that mean for your company? First off, if your business involves transporting goods across state lines, you're going to need a DOT number. This number is your key to operating legally on U.S. roads. It's a unique identifier for your business that helps the DOT track safety records and compliance with regulations. Now, getting a DOT number isn't just a walk in the park. The process involves filling out some pretty complex paperwork. Forms need to be accurate and complete. Mistakes can lead to delays or even fines, and no one wants that headache. That's why many concrete companies turn to experts like FMCSA Registration. We take the hassle out of the equation and ensure everything's in order. You can find our services at FMCSAregistration.com. We are the go-to service provider for handling these intricate processes, so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. Visit us at FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Once you've got your DOT number, that's not the end of the story. In addition, you may also need to secure a motor carrier (MC) number if you're transporting materials for hire. This additional registration is often required for concrete businesses moving materials like sand, gravel, or equipment across state lines. It's crucial to determine if your operations require this to avoid compliance issues and potential penalties. Keeping your business in good standing with the DOT ensures you can continue to operate without interruptions. You have to maintain compliance with DOT regulations. This includes regular vehicle inspections, driver qualifications, and record keeping. It's a lot to handle, but staying on top of these things keeps your business running smoothly and safely. Remember, safety isn't just about avoiding fines. It's about protecting your team and other drivers on the road. A safe operation is a successful one. So, whether you're just starting out or have been in the concrete business for years, understanding the DOT requirements is crucial, and don't hesitate to reach out for help when you need it. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Keep your business rolling and stay safe out there.